Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to make the marble truffle cake. Our first step is to fill and base ice a double layer marble cake with vanilla buttercream. Next, pipe a ring of melted truffle around the top of the cake and drizzle down the sides. Once the drizzling is complete, you want to add a good amount of truffle to the top of the cake. Using a small angled spatula, very gently spread and add a swirling finish to the truffle while it is still fluid. Be sure to let the truffle dry completely before going on to the next step. Next, you want to add 6 white buttercream rosettes. I'm using the 1M tip. Finish this cake off by adding chocolate dominoes, leaning them on each rosette. And now the marble truffle cake is complete.